Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to record your screen using the simple Python script. We are using the different Python libraries like PyAutoGUI in order to record our screen. For this, you need to install all these libraries. I'm going to install with my Python IDE. Let's open the command prompt and make sure that pip install opencv python space PyAutoGUI space and also numpy. After installing successfully these libraries, let's get back to the code. Let's get back to the code, and we just want to import the required packages like import PyAutoGUI cv2 numpy as np cv2 and also import numpy as np. Now we are going to specify the resolution of our screen to record. I'm going to give the resolution as 1920,1080. This represents my whole screen to be recorded, and I'm going to specify the video codec. The video codec is nothing but decoding and encoding. I'm using XV1D, and it's a video codec that prioritizes file compression while maintaining a base level of video quality. The video quality should not be decreased while recording our screen, and also we have to mention the basic file compression, and we are to name the specific name to the output file. For that, I'm mentioning the recording .mp4. Initially there is nothing in my code other than my code. After recording, that recording will be saved in the form of recording.mp4, and I want to specify the frames rate. Frames rate is nothing but you are going to mention the screen recording by means of different frames. I'm going to give the frame rate as 10.0, and you will observe the frame rate will be used. And I'm going to create the video writer object for this file, and that will use it with the help of cv2.videowriter of file name. The file name will be the recording.mp4, and the codec xv14, and the frames rate and the resolution what I'm given. And I want to create an empty window. An empty window will represent whether my recording will be on going or not. So for that, I'm going to make a cv2 dot named window of I'm going to give the name as live, comma cv2 dot resize the window like a normal window. Okay, cv2 dot window normal, and this is the code for the recording of screen, and there is an box like structure will open, and that frame will be represented as live, and I just want to resize that window what we have created. For that, I'm going to give that cv2 dot resize window of what I'm going to make the resize window as, like I'm going to give 480 comma 270 as my resized window. I don't want to display all the whole screen like 190 into 1080. I want to display only 480 into 270 frame rate only. The thing is, we are going to make a screenshot using PyAutoGUI. After making the screenshots, we are going to convert all the screenshots into numpy array format. So for that, taking a screenshot, I'm using PyAutoGUI tool dot screenshot. This will enable to screenshot our screen continuously. This will enable make the screenshots continuously, and after taking the screenshots, we need to convert those screenshots into we are going to convert those screenshots into frames, and with the frames only we are going to attach that like numpy dot array of image. So I'm going to convert those screenshots into numpy array, and further I need to convert it from bgr to rgb. Okay, I'm let it be into the frame cv2 dot convert color of frame comma cv2 dot color bgr to rgb bgr to rgb. Okay, this will enables you to convert the bgr format. Initially the system can able to take cv2 can able to take in the format of bgr. We need to convert those bgr into the rgb format. Okay, now let's write to the output file like out dot write of frame out dot write of frame, and optional screen display you can able to see or not, and like cv2 dot image show of comma frame. Okay, next whenever I press the key of q, it will automatically pauses, and this break button will enables you to break, and out dot release will be used to release cv2 dot destroy all windows. So this is the code, this is the particular code will enables you to record your screen. Okay, now let's save that and run this. Yeah, there is a small window which I had mentioned, the size of 480 270 window, and let's see whether our screen recorder has been worked with a frame rate of 10.0 is not. Now I'm opening different websites like different websites, and you can able to see, and I'm going to subscribe the channel and going to bell icon, clicking the bell icon. You can able to see the playlist in the video part, channels, discussion about, and different website. Okay, this all these are recording. Whenever I press the q button, it will automatically break. Now let's see, there is a file called recording.mp4 has been stored. Let me try to open this file. Let's see whether our screen has been recorded or not. And that's it, the screen has been recorded perfectly, and you can able to see the screen record with a frame rate of 10.0 has been done. You may increase the speed of frame rate, or else you can able to increase all the frame rates and the video resizable, etc. So in this way you can able to record your screen with the help of this Python script. Thanks for watching.